3 most essential food for stronger erection. If you are a man, you are highly welcome to this channel. If also you are a woman, you are highly welcome to this channel, because in today's video you are going to learn 3 most essential food for stronger erection as a man. So make sure that you watch this video from the beginning to the very end to know the 3 most important or essential food for stronger erection. I have made videos and videos related to this topic, and this video is also special. Consume these 3 food on daily basis and watch your performance as a man. I am making this video to help men to live a healthy life, to perform well, and to be the best they want. So before I proceed on this video, my name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. So if today is your first time to come across this channel, endeavor to subscribe and don't forget to turn on the bell so that you will get notified anytime I make videos concerning men and natural ways to keep men. Now, if you are a man, you want to have a stronger erection, you want to last longer, you want to be the best man you want to be, please, this video is for you. And what are the 3 most essential food for stronger erection? The most important one, or the best, is bitter Kola. Yes, bitter Kola is the best food or fruit for stronger erection. Consume bitter Kola at least once or twice every week and see wonders in your life. Consume bitter Kola and see your performance will increase and you will perform well. The second food or fruit for stronger erection is cucumber. Yes, cucumber is also a very powerful food or fruit you need for stronger erection. And once you take cucumber consistently, it can lead to good blood flow and blood circulation due to high water content, because it contains a lot of water. So the more you take cucumber, the more it improves your fertility and also improve your blood flow and blood circulation. And with this, you will start performing well, and you will have a good blood flow that will go down to your joystick and make it to respond when the need arises. Number 3 and the last, which is also important, is avocado pear. This one will help to regulate or reduce sugar in your blood, and you know that sugar can cause weak erection. So avocado pear will reduce sugar in your bloodstream or in your blood vessel, and with this it will help you to have a stronger erection. So anytime you need to perform well, you need a stronger erection, consume these 3 powerful food on daily basis. Within 1 week you will improve. So this is what I want to share in this video, and I believe that you get value. Consider to join this channel by hitting the like button, subscribe and turn on the bell to get you notified each time I publish video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. If you have questions and comments, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section. In fact, comment on this video. Let me know what you think. Like and share this video to your friends and families. I wish you good luck. I wish you good performance as a man. See you in my next video. Bye.